Good morning, my dear students. I am your English teacher. I am glad to meet you again. I hope you are all safe and fine. First of all, you can be proud because your learning process is doing well. You are responding me very well. Today we are going to learn supplementary story Think to Win, which is related to sports. So this unit fully it's related to sports. The title is Think to Win. I know you like stories. Okay, shall we start the story? Yes. So in this story, we have 4 pages. But today we are going to see only 2 pages. Okay, children? Yes. Let's start. The title is Think to Win. The bicycle wobbled as 10-year-old Richard leaned forward in the seat and pumped the pedals. So here the character name is Richa. She is learning to ride the bicycle. Hold tight, Vishnu, I will fall, she shouted to the boy who ran behind, steadying the bicycle. For the past 2 weeks, he had been teaching her to ride. So she said, Vishnu, hold tight, otherwise I will fall, she shouted behind. And last 2 weeks, he is teaching her to ride. Don't worry, Richaji, you are doing well, he puffed. For a few moments, he let go of his hold and Richa was on her own. Of course, she did not know it and rode along smoothly. He said, Don't worry, Richaji, you are doing well. After some time, he leaves the bicycle. Now Richa riding alone without help of him and rode alone smoothly. Vishnu, stop the cycle. I want to get off, Richa called. Use the brake, Vishnu called out. His voice came from some distance away and Richa realized that he was not holding the bicycle anymore. Now Richa wanted to stop the cycle. So he asked Vishnu to stop the cycle. Now Vishnu said, use the brake. But his voice came from some distance away. Now Richa realized that, okay, he was not holding the bicycle anymore. I will fall, she wailed. And before Vishnu could reach her, the bicycle wobbled, tilted to one side, and Richa was deposited into the bush, shaken but unhurt. Richa cried angrily. I will fall, she cried. Before Vishnu reached the bicycle and Richa fell down into the bush. But unhurt, Richa cried angrily. Yes, the next paragraph. I told you to hold tight. I told you I would fall. She glared at Vishnu. But Richaji, you are riding quite well. And anyway, you have to learn riding without someone holding the cycle, isn't it? Vishnu explained. See, I fell, didn't I? Richa would not be pacified. So see, I fell. Richa would not be pacified. I told you hold tight, but you didn't do that. But Vishnu said, Richaji, you are doing very well. Anyway, you have to learn riding a bicycle without someone help of others. Richa said, see, now I fell down. Richa would not be consoled her. Then she stormed into the house to complain. You fell, doesn't matter, said her mother calmly. We all do when we are learning to ride a bicycle. At least you are not hurt. Her mother said, this is common to all. When learning riding a bicycle, at least you are not hurt. The bicycle is too big for me, Richa complained. When I am in the seat, my toes barely touch in the ground. Now Richa complained. The bicycle is too big for me. My toes couldn't touch to the ground. Her mother explained to her, that she found nothing wrong with it. Riding a bicycle of that height was not right for her. After all, she is growing up. Height doesn't matter, ma. Now you are growing up. The cycle of that height to you. Mummy, may I ride the bicycle? Asked Seema. Who is Seema? Richa's sister. Richa's sister, younger to her by 3 years. So the younger sister of Richa, Seema asked her mother, Mummy, may I ride the bicycle? Asked her mother. No, Seema, you cannot. Richa cut in before her mother could answer. Suddenly Richa said, No, Seema, you cannot. It's so height for you. For me also. How can you say it? You are much shorter girl. No amount of pleading helped. When it's so high for me, how can you sit? You are much shorter. No amount of pleading helped. And the next paragraph, there was a considerable contrast between the two sisters. Richa was very protective of her younger sister. She was very overprotective with her. Richa herself had been overprotected and she seldom did things rashly. There is some contrast between two sisters because Richa was very overprotective of her younger sister, even though Richa herself has been overprotected. Even in running, playing, she would be conscious of her movements. Seema, on the other hand, was bold and prone to taking risk. Richa always cared to her watching her sister, even in running, playing and so on. But Seema is entirely different from Richa. She was very bold and prone to taking her risk. She doesn't fear to take any risk. Next week, inter-house badminton matches were to be held in the school. Richa was in the senior team. She gave up other activities and practiced with her friends. So in the next week, there is inter-house badminton in her school. Richa was in senior team. She gave up other activities and only practiced with her friends. Richa's it had her. They told her on the day on the match. Aruna was a very good player of their house, was expected to win. Aruna was very close friend to Richa and she was a very good player in their house. She was expected to win. Finally, she only won the match. And she did. Richa and her opponent were almost evenly matched and Richa lost the game by the couple of points. So Richa and her opponent almost evenly matched and Richa lost the game by the couple of points. Their house stood second in the overall tally. I can't seem to win, said Richa remorsefully. You played all right, Aruna consoled her. Richa said, I can't seem to win sadly. Hey, Richa, you played well, yeah? You don't think about it, Aruna consoled Richa. Now Aruna said, Hey Richa, you are playing very well. The time when your opponent of the net, if you had hit just a little harder over her head, you could have won that point. Now Aruna said, Hey Richa, if you had hit just a little harder over her head, you would have won the match. Then, I know, replied Richa. But somehow I always make such mistakes. You must practice more, that's all, Aruna told her. I suppose so, Richa replied gloomily. I know, yeah, I have done some same mistakes again and again, Aruna said. You must practice more, that's all, yeah. Cheer up now, Aruna told her. At least you tried. I said, that inter-school sports meets is coming up. You are in the school's relay team, aren't you? Now cheer up, Richa. Cheer up, Richa. At least you tried. We have inter-school meets. It's coming up now. You are in the school relay team. I will probably make everyone lose the race, Richa said, still gloomy. Even Richa in bad mood, she said, I will probably make everyone lose the race. Don't think that way, Aruna pleaded with her. You run fast, we need you. So don't think like that. You can run fast, we need you, Aruna said to Richa. Richa finally agreed to stand if anyone no better person could be found. Meanwhile, she would train with her rest of them under the new PT instructor, Prakash sir. Finally, Richa agreed to participate the event. Now she would take training with the help of PT instructor, Prakash sir. So, PT instructor Prakash sir, how he was? He was very enthusiastic about sports and drove the children harder, praising, scolding, correcting, but mostly encouraging them. So now PT instructor Prakash sir, very enthusiastic person. He is very strict, but he is encouraging them very well. Okay, my dear students, we will continue this lesson in next class also. Okay, keep watch this video carefully. You can enjoy this video because this lesson is related to sports. I hope you are all enjoy this video. Okay, my dear students, be safe, enjoy your learning, and then go through this video again and again. Okay, children, thank you.